Hello guys, I'm about to begin to work on a dry cleaning chemical pump that is leaking. It's leaking from the shaft position. So we'll begin right away to see how we can find out exactly what is wrong with this particular pump. First of all, we need to lose the bolts. These are the bolts. I've already loosened them. So we'll lose them one after the other. Make sure that all the bolts are properly kept. I lose them for the purpose of easy explanation. You can see they are all loose. And you remove the top cover. Look at the top cover. You can see that this seal is bad. Can you see? This particular O-ring is bad. Need a replacement. That is one. Then two, try to lose the nut that holds the impeller. You see, this is losing position anti-clockwise. It's already loosed. So this is it. Keep it too. Then the impeller, for you to lose the impeller, you need to anchor the shaft. Let's see how we can anchor the shaft. Look at the shaft. Let's look at the position. You can see the hole. Can you see the hole? So we'll place our screwdriver inside this position. Then loosen this impeller too. It's also anti-clockwise. So you can see it's loosen out. It's loosen out. We loose it out to make sure to bring out the impeller. This is a metallic impeller. You can see. Very strong. This cannot react with the chemical, so it can last for a very long time. Let's keep it aside. Then this is one of the it's one of the this is one of the washer. Remove this washer and keep it aside. Then let's find out, see where you can see you can see these are the areas where it's leaking from. You can see it's leaking from this position out of the machine, thereby wasting chemical. So this shows that is the seal that is the problem. Look at the seal. You see, let's see if we can bring it out. You can see it. You can see this seal is already bad and needs serious replacement. You can see the seal. You can see the seal is bad and need replacement. In continuation of our work, let's loose and loose. It's already loosened. Remove the cover. Already loosed it before. Then you remove the fan. See the fan. This is the rubber washer. Rubber washer attached to it. Make sure they're in the same place. Then we start loosening out the bolts. You see? I'll loose out the bolts. And before we open the back end cover, trying to loose it. This one is out. Now look at I place a mark here and a mark here, so as to be able to align the front end and the back end when reassembling. It is very, very important for you to mark. You can use a marker, you can use a screwdriver like this. Since I don't have a marker here, I made use of my screwdriver. So let's go. Tapping it. Tap uniformly. Tapping it. I see. This is the back end. This is back end bearing. Look at the rotor inside. Look at the windings. This is the connectors. This the terminal block. So trying to bring it out. Let's see. We are now left with the shaft. So we'll be pulling this one out in order to be able to change the seal. I was able to remove the complete seal. The first time it was the spring that pulled out. This was the spring that pulled out initially. This is the main seal. You can see this is how it is to flush to this position and seal the chemical from going out from, let's see if we can get it from this. You can see this position. Seal the shaft from allowing chemical to come out from this hole. Got it. It's going to be replaced. And secondly, there's another seal, kind of gasket. Look at it. This one is already broken. We'll try to find a replacement.